Are you an IELTS aspirant?
Are you living out of India?
Are you looking forward to purchase IELTS Speaking Booster, the book containing the latest content of the IELTS speaking exam that the examiner can ask you in any part of the world? This video will demonstrate how you can purchase Speaking Booster in less than 30 seconds that would be containing the latest content of the IELTS speaking exam that the examiner can ask you during the IELTS exam no matter where you are. To purchase Speaking Booster, even if you are not living in India, you need to download IELTS coaching application on your Android phone. If you're an Apple user, please download ClassPlus and enter the ORG code IELTS. To register on this application, you have to enter your email ID on which you will get the OTP, and once you register, you will see the home screen something like this. Click on Store at the bottom and then on Speaking Booster. At the bottom, you need to click on Buy Now, and once you click on it, it would prompt you to choose a state. Since you're not living in India, choose Others as it would reflect only Indian states. And once on the payment page, you can choose debit or credit card payment option. There are few wallet and other digital payment modes as well, like Google Pay if you use that. Otherwise, simply using your debit or credit card, you can make the payment. Although the price reflects in INR, that is Indian National Rupees, still you can make the payment and the amount would be converted automatically without charging anything additional. Now waste no time and purchase Speaking Booster. The direct link of Speaking Booster ebook is also available in the description of this video that you can click now.
Hi friends, how are you doing today? And thanks for joining me for today's video. As you know that we are preparing the latest cue cards these days, so this video is just going to help you in preparing one of the latest cue cards that the examiner may ask you now or in future. Well, be ready for the sample answer in this video. Let's quickly check out what the cue card is. The cue card is: describe a time when your two friends had an argument, or a situation when your friends were in argument or had an argument. The cues can be who your friends were, what was the issue, what kind of argument they had, and how it was resolved, or what did you do to calm them down. Well, as you know that I always share the idea behind the cue card in the regional language, and afterwards I will share the sample answer in English, and let's quickly check out what the idea can be behind this cue card. Guys, आपको पता है, I always try to keep the things very simple and easy and repetitive so that every time you don't have to come up with a new idea, and if there is something already in your mind, you can use that, or something that you have already prepared, you can use that to prepare a new cue card. अभी यहाँ पर आपको याद आएगा, थोड़ा टाइम पहले हमारे पास एक क्यू कार्ड आ रहा था, टाइम व्हेन यू वर्कड इन अ टीम। और आपको पता है कि जब टीम में काम करना होता है, सबसे पहले और सबसे बुरे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स वहीं पर होते हैं। और यहाँ पर क्या है कि हम उसी क्यू कार्ड के एक हाफ को ले लेंगे कि जहाँ पर हमें एक असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करना था, और उस असाइनमेंट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए हमारे टीचर्स ने एक ग्रुप बना दिया। अब जब ग्रुप में सब लोगों के ओपिनियंस अलग अलग होंगे तो आर्ग्यूमेंट तो होगी। तो आइए इसी चीज़ को कंसिडर करेंगे कि उस टॉपिक की चॉइस पर या डिस्कशन जो हुई कि हम किस टॉपिक के असाइनमेंट बनाएंगे, इस चीज़ पर दो बंदों की आपस में आर्ग्यूमेंट हो गई। वो बहस करने लगे कि ये सही है, वो गलत है, क्योंकि दोनों को लग रहा था कि वो सही है। को लग रहा था कि अगर ये टॉपिक चूज़ किया जाएगा तो ज़्यादा अच्छी असाइनमेंट बनेगी, दूसरे को लगा कि उसका टॉपिक चूज़ किया जाएगा तो अच्छी बनेगी। तो यहाँ पे आपने रियलाइज़ किया कि उनके आर्ग्यूमेंट्स कुछ ज़्यादा ही हीटेड होते जा रहे हैं। वो वर्बल फाइट से निकलकर शायद एक दूसरे के साथ धक्का मुक्की भी करने लगे। लेकिन यहाँ पर आपने इंटरवीन किया, आपने, आपका दूसरा फ्रेंड था, उन्होंने इंटरवीन किया, उनको साइड किया, उनको बैठाया, रिलैक्स किया, उनके लिए पानी या कुछ चाय वगैरह मंगवाई, उनको रिलैक्स करने को बोला, एंड यू मेड देम रियलाइज़ कि नो डाउट आप दोनों के ही टॉपिक बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट जितना हमारे पास टाइम है असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करने के लिए, शायद दोनों ही टॉपिक वैलिड नहीं है या कुछ भी ऐसा, जिससे उनको रियलाइज़ हुआ कि हाँ वो बेकार में बहस कर रहे थे। एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन द सैम्पल आंसर ऑफ दिस क्यू कार्ड। इफ़ यू रियली लाइक द आइडिया, कंटिन्यू टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड, and I request you to please subscribe my channel to help me to grow more. Always recommend your friends and others to subscribe this channel if they want authentic information related to the IELTS exam and study material as well. I hope you know that I also offer online training, and you can also purchase lots of IELTS study material with us. For that, you have to do only one thing: download IELTS coaching application on your phone, and in less than 30 seconds you can buy whatever you wish to. By the end of this video, I will tell you that how you can purchase my paid courses on IELTS coaching application. But first, let's check out the sample answer of this cue card. Well, it is not uncommon to see people arguing when their ideas and beliefs do not match. It results in debate even on very small issues. Let me share one such incident when my friends got into a heated argument that took place when we were working on a group assignment. Actually, when I was in grade 10th, as a part of final assessment, we had to work on a group project. We 4 friends had to work on a science topic of our choice and complete it in 1 week time. We had to make a working model to demonstrate, write an analytical report, and also give a presentation on the given date. Since the work was too much, rather than managing and distributing equally, 2 members of our team started arguing with each other. They were not willing to accept each other's ideas of the choice of topic for assignment. Both were thinking they are right, the other one is wrong. In fact, they started accusing and blaming each other for being part of the same team. Soon the verbal fight turned into a real fight, and at this point my other friend and I intervened. We stopped them and requested to stop this nonsense, as if we are not going to work together, we could never complete the work in time. In fact, we rejected the ideas of both of them as they were extremely time consuming. We sat in the canteen and ordered cold drinks. Once my friends calmed down, we requested them to feel sorry to each other and start focusing on work. Though it was not easy to convince them, but finally they agreed and we all were happy now. Overall, it was a time when my friends got into a fierce argument. Attempt IELTS exam successfully with IELTS Academic or IELTS GD Success courses by Raman sir. To achieve 100% success in the IELTS exam in your first attempt, courses are well structured, divided into days, each day covering all the 4 different modules of the IELTS exam. Complete the assignments and follow elaborated explanations of Raman sir. Learn the effective tips and tricks of IELTS. Get access to hundreds of videos and test and study material just at a marginal cost. Courses available at 50% discount. Check them now.